Okay, so this is how to use the pippets ama pipettes, whatever the name, pippets. Okay, so first of all you have to sign up. So mimi nimesha sign up. You have to create an account using your email. So after creating an account, the first page that utapata itakuwa hii. Kama utapata hii page, you should check the 3 dashes on top left, utaiona, and then after click hapo itakupea kitu inakaa hivi. So kitu unafaa kufinya, actually uta interact na hizi zote, but ile nime interact nayo sasa nataka nikufunze ni hii ya pili, AI talking photo, whereby you can just use any photo. After using any photo you can just unawekea words, and then after there itasoma hizo words na itakuwa kama cartoon. So let us proceed. So just finya hapo AI talking photo, try it now. You just press there, and then after there unakuja you upload a photo. Okay, you upload a photo. So let me select any photo. So you upload a photo. Let me check my collection. So I have this, we have the downloads, and then after that let me use this girl. So I have this. Okay, so after that you can confirm. Okay, so after confirming, okay, so after you may confirm, you can click the next button. Click the next button and wait it for a verify. So what you need to do, you need to write the words that unataka hiyo photo itasema. Okay, so I have this word. You can try any words, but for this scenario I want you to use these words. Actually nitatuma the words. So this site will pay you for copying and pasting if you have a smartphone or a laptop internet connection. So you just prompt, yeah, you just write anything. Kama unataka hiyo nini yako iongee majina unataka, inaweza kuwa Kizungu, so yeah, specifically Kizungu, any form of words that unataka isome itasoma. Okay, so after there you prompt it, and then you can select a voice. Unakuja hapa place imeandikwa choose a voice. Okay, so hapa kwa choose a voice you just select any lady. So
welcome to Pippit.
Okay, so the sound that I do recommend, use the Chelsea body. Yeah, the Chelsea body. Hindo inakaa iko slow and is the best actually. So let me play it.
Welcome to Pippit. Let's create something amazing together.
So after there you can choose the language. So let me choose the language. Let me use English. Wait, utaingoja verify. So after verification you can unafinya jina generates, finya jina generates, and it will automatically generate a cartoon with the words. Okay, so let us wait it generates. After there itakwambia ita take some time for it to process. Okay, so it will just take like about 5 minutes kama uko na network fit. Unaona haita take the 42 minutes hapa hivi nimesema, it will take just 5 minutes. So as you can see mine, ukiona yangu hapa ukiona hapa kuna pesi imesema kuna ka ka notification huko juu, so unafinya hapo and now you can see. Sawa sawa, yeah. Okay, so after the 5 minutes ilikuwa imesha kuambia ina download. Utafinya, ukiangalia on my top right we have the two icons. So we have this icon inakaa kama kanini, inakaa kama ka rectangle, and then we have the two dashes on top of it. So unafinya hapo and then itakuonyesha, unaona, unafinya hiyo nini hiyo. Okay, let me just screenshot and then I will share. Okay, let me just screenshot. I will share the icon. So after that what you need to do, you need to download this video because it has imesha generate. Yeah, so the video has imesha generate. So what you need to do, just download the video. Click the icon for downloading. So unafinya hapo ya download, and then hizi zote unaziacha tu hapo. The only thing that you'll do is just change the watermark. So you need to download ikiwa with no watermark. Kama itakuwa hivi with watermark, you have to change ikuwe with no watermark. Yeah, no watermark. After there you just export. Yeah, so utaiona TikTok. Okay, Chrome itakwambia ina download. So if you want to check it, just come to on top of the screen, the 3 dashes top right huko juu kabisa. So finya hapo, and then after there click the downloads. Okay, select downloads, you'll see the video download. So as you can see, ndo hii hapa download. Sawa. So that's how to create. And then after creating, you need to download. After ku download, you need to export the video. After ku export, itakuwa downloaded to your photos.